And right here in Lekki Aviation Town, we have the ongoing 5-unit terrace, currently at lintel construction level. This is pure progress happening right here in Lekki Aviation Town. And right here, sometime last week, I made a video of this as is, and it was just at the decking level before the block settings commenced, and now this is the current level of the block settings construction. This is pure progress happening right here in Lekki Aviation Town on the ongoing 5-unit terrace. This is absolute progress. If you have been following my page, you would have seen a lot of this building construction right from scratch, and this is what you have been waiting for. If this pop up in your page, this is a good sign of you for securing a spot in Lekki Aviation Town before you get sold out. With 237 million naira, you can secure a spot here, and that is on pre-sale price. If you want more updates like this, you can like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the ongoing buildings in Lekki Aviation Town. Thank you.